All right, welcome back. Episode 21, Invest Info. And today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency. And recently, Bitcoin and all these different other cryptocurrencies, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, they've all been moving up. Um, Now, Bitcoin from the past 3 months, it's up over 54%. And if you look at the history of Bitcoin, this is only a 5 year history. It's just Robinhood. There's one time it peaked all the way up to like $20,000 in 2017. Now, when it comes to investing, is cryptocurrency a valid investment? Well, if you've been watching the lessons, we always stress, invest in things that you understand. I can't personally understand the price movement of Bitcoin, and when we say understand, we mean it the way Warren Buffett means it the way Phil Town means it means, which in sense means we could we have to do a future discounted cash flow, and there's no cash flow with Bitcoin. It's just well, I try to get into understanding, um, you know, Bitcoin, and I do understand the blockchain technology. So the way it works is, and the idea behind crypto is, most transactions are just digital ledgers, right? Credited um, from one bank account and debited to the next, right? So when you, let's say, purchase something from a store, right? That information or that money that was given to you or received to you didn't directly go to you. It was credited from one bank and debited to the next. With the blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, when you transfer Bitcoin, that money is directly transferred. There's no bank to go back to, so it's untraceable, right? So it was proven very valuable to have Bitcoin during the situation in Venezuela, where pretty much they had hyperinflation, and the wealthy to transfer assets they used Bitcoin, and those that had gold is sort of cumbersome. You can't travel very easily with it from one destination to the next. A lot sought refuge in cryptocurrency. So surprisingly, when the entire market tanked in March, so did Bitcoin as well. Um, but eventually it came back up. And Robert Kawasaki, he's bullish on Bitcoin. A lot of people are becoming very bullish on Bitcoin. Even certain individuals in the Invest Info group that understand this are bullish on Bitcoin. And you know what? I'll say if you understand the price movement, you understand where this is coming from, because I see no more than a speculative asset. I mean, but then again, that's all investment, right? At the end of the day, you're sort of speculating. Um, but the Warren Buffett Phil Town approach is we do it with a high degree of certainty. We're looking at the value of a business and where will it be valued in the future, and then we're paying a price that is extremely safe. With Bitcoin, I don't know if 17,000 is the very bottom or the very top, or it's. Well, I just don't understand the price movement for me to personally say this is a safe investment. However, there are people that understand Bitcoin and would urge you to invest in Bitcoin. By the way, this is just all for knowledge. This is not to tell you how and what you should do with your money. It's going to come down to, do you understand cryptocurrency? You know, Guys like Jordan Belfort, aka the Wolf of Wall Street, he sees this as no more than a Ponzi scheme, a bubble. A lot of people see it as a bubble. So does Peter Schiff, comparing it to Tulip mania. Tulip mania was a situation in the 1700s, no 1600s, where the price of tulips skyrocketed, and overnight a bubble was created and it popped. So a bubble is created when um, you have nothing but sellers in a particular market. So if Bitcoin gets bought up, bought up, bought up, bought up, bought up, bought up, and no one else wants to buy it, and you just have nothing but sellers, then eventually a crash will come, because that's how the bubble is created. So this thing, like most things, supply demand go up, right? However, Bitcoin isn't a business. Some want to say it's currency. Um, the blockchain, I understand. I could see that, you know, but I don't see what's stopping this cryptocurrency. What's so special about this cryptocurrency from the other 1,000 cryptocurrencies. But there are channels out there that explain Bitcoin. Um, Most of these people that are invested in Bitcoin, it's just they're just trying to get rich. They're just trying to sell it to the next person at a higher price. I had this one person tell me that someone came in the bank and withdrew $500,000 of their life savings to put it into Bitcoin. I didn't understand what Bitcoin really is. So a lot of people are just seeing this as, it's going to go to 100,000, it's going to go to 200,000, might go to a million, and then others could explain it to you. So to summarize this particular lesson, if you understand Bitcoin and you understand this price movement, you truly see where this is going to be in the future. I can't see it. I don't know how it's done. Then I always say invest in what you understand. But to the average going investor that's just trying to get rich, just speculating is going to go up. That's not really investing. That's just gambling. That's just you guessing. The ones that truly benefit from an investment are the ones that understand things that when no one really understands them, right? So the people that really profited off Bitcoin was those that got in maybe $2, and even at one point this thing was $400. You know, normally it's like that. Normally it's you understand something when the majority doesn't, and you buy it when they don't want it, and you sell it to them when they do. So this thing is rising up. Me personally, I don't touch it. Bitcoin, I don't understand it. I don't invest in things I don't understand. However, there are people in the invest chat group that we have that do understand it, and has been holding this thing for years and years, and has gotten a return on their investment. So if you understand this thing, by all means, it's above my pay grade. But if you're just trying to get rich, I'll say fall back. There's many different opportunities in the stock market in different ways to gain a wealth through investing. All right, I'll see you on the next one.